On this episode of Trekking Beyond, we will be traveling to Dotonbori, Osaka's most famous tourist attraction and one of the most recognizable parts of Osaka. Famous for its neon lights, colorful signs, and a huge selection of street food, restaurants, and bars. Historically an entertainment and theater district since the 1600s, it's renowned for its food, nightlife, neon lights, and amazing signs. You will find yourself in awe looking at all the unique signs, which include a giant crab, octopus, pufferfish, and dragons. It makes you feel like you are walking in an amusement park. Dotonbori is one of the most colorful and vibrant areas in Osaka and best experienced in the evening as the neon lights come to life. Dotonbori is very famous for its wonderland of street food, crowded restaurants, and bars. You should come here for the ultimate culinary experience. You will find local dishes and traditional Japanese food that is very cheap and easy on your wallet. The most popular street food you'll find is takoyaki, an octopus-filled ball of batter, which is a specialty in Osaka. Another delicious street food you should try is called Okonomiyaki, which is a delicious savory pancake. There are also many meat and vegetable options that are deep fried on a skewer, called kushikatsu. Dotonbori also has the largest shopping area in Osaka, where you can shop your heart's galore and find almost anything. The most famous of the vibrant signs is the Glyco Running Man, located above the Ibitsubashi Bridge. Glyco is a Japanese food company which produces the popular snack Pocky. Pocky is one of my favorite snacks from Japan. The Glyco Running Man has become a much loved and famous landmark in Osaka since 1935. This is a popular spot for tourists and a meeting spot for many people, not to mention a famous photo op for first-timers in Dotonbori. During our trip to Japan, we visited very many secondhand stores called Book Off. I suggest to come here if you are looking for books, music, movies, manga, and specifically retro video games. It's a retro video game paradise, and you will find games and consoles from the original Famicom all the way to the most recent video games and consoles for a very decent price. Make sure you don't miss out on this retro video game paradise, which you can find all over Japan. My top suggestions for first-timers is to just walk along the neon streets at night, try the local street food like takoyaki, open-air ramen stands, and visit the Running Man sign for that famous picture in Osaka.